Yeah, so this run took a lot out of me. I don't think I want to explain it any further. Just look at this. No, why did I pause? No! Why did I pause? Why did I pause? No! You idiot! Oh. Why? What is wrong with me? I had it. I fucking had it. Why? Why? Fucking hell. So yeah, I thought it was gonna be another long night of doing literally nothing in this goddamn level, but I guess I got blessed by God or something, because this happened like not even a minute later. Fucking do that next time. Yes! Oh my god. Literally, like 1 or 2 attempts. Maybe like 3 or 4. Literally a few attempts after the stupidest moment in my entire career. I do that. Oh, turn this fan off. Holy shit. Oh my god. And I'm recording. Yes, good. Well, that's convenient. I don't have to go for this run anymore because I did it. Yippee. Hold up. Okay. Okay, so